Hi, my name is Reku and welcome to another tutorial video of me trying out some application for VTubers. Well, for this one, it's for like 3D VTubers. It's good for like karaoke and just chatting or something like that. It depends, but for me, it's mostly for like just chatting or karaoke because it has like a free stages for you to use, and also a room, and you can also customize that room if you want to, and it will take a lot of effort, I guess. Some effort, tiny effort, maybe some effort. But yeah, sorry for the delay. So let's go and try it out. So yeah, this is the website. I will just link it in the description like always, so go ahead and check it out. So you can get the paid version if you want to, but there's also the free version. So what we're gonna do now is download it. Boom. Let's wait for it to finish, guys. Oh yeah, and you can also watch the video if you want to. It shows you all the things that you need. I'm not gonna play it, just go ahead and check it out if you wanna. But yeah, it's an application for like VTubers. You wanna use this. It's just for like a 3D room. Okay, here we go. Let's extract it as always. Not like this. There we go. Put it in compress folder. I mean, this is where we always decompress the files. Extract here. And we're done. As you can, oh, not this one. As you can see, this is the VRoom Studio. And you can only use this if your PC can handle it, okay? If your PC can handle it. But if you want to try it out, go ahead and try it out and see if you can actually use it. But just a warning, okay? Just a warning. Because not many people can use it. Oh, I forgot about something. I think we're gonna try out also VSeeFace, and we're gonna connect it through VRoom. Okay? So yeah, BRB. Okay, here we go. If you guys don't have VSeeFace, this is VSeeFace. I don't have a tutorial of like using it. I mean, I do have Vinyan, but it depends on which you want to use. But generally for other people, they use VSeeFace. So let's go with VSeeFace. Okay, here we go. There's my model. Look at him. Character. Okay. We can use this one. There we go. It's not gonna use my camera because I'm currently using one on my Vinyan. I'm just gonna show you how to like connect it to the 3D one, okay? Wow, so weird. Okay. So what we're gonna do is launch the VRM. What's it called? Where is it? Oh yeah, here we go. There we go. There we go. So what we're gonna do now is launch the VRoom. As always, more info and then run. Don't worry about this warning. It will not show up if you're using the camera. Don't forget to allow it. There we go. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is load our model. They loaded mine, I guess. I'm just gonna do select it again. There we go. Here's our guy. Okay, as always, he's not moving. Okay, because it's only detecting the mic because my camera is not on. Okay, so as you can see, this is our character in a room. We can also choose different types of rooms if you want. We can like do a just chatting at the bar, or do a live karaoke if you want to. There's like different stages for you to use, and also you can customize your own room, and then after that load your room. Here's the live stage. Whoa, look at that. See, it's pretty great if you want to do like karaoke streams if you want to. And this is for the settings if you want to put your like VMC and stuff. We'll blur it out. I think my guy is lagging because of like I'm using the model right now. What if I use a different model? Wait a minute. What, the guy with the trench coat? There we go. That's the lagging. I think it's my computer not handling while I'm recording and stuff like that. But it works. Don't worry. As you can see, that my guy is not sitting, and also there's the camera, automatic camera thing. So what we're gonna do here is like press space. Here we go. Here's our tracking. We can start our whoa, that's new. Wait a minute, that's new. They got their own tracking now. Whoa, okay, BRB, just I will try this out. So that means we don't have to use our VSeeFace. See how good it is. Okay, I'm back. I'm just using the application now, as you can see. So we're gonna try it out if like the tracking works fine. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, it even has like a tracking point too. Look at me, I'm a stick man. It has hand motion too. Whoa! And I'm using a webcam, by the way, guys. I'm not using iPhone or anything like that. But still, if you got like a clear webcam and also like your body, it shows the body. Yeah, actually do waving. Okay, cool. Hands up. Thumbs up. Okay, what if I don't want to use my hands? Is it possible? Oh, what's this? As it's not in English, so I wouldn't know what it is. But if you guys know, please translate it for me. That would really help. Oh, like for stiffness, I guess. I do not know. As you can see, my guy is raising my raising the hand. Trust me, it's not my fault. It's because of the mic. My side has a hand. So yeah, that happens. So what we're gonna do now? Oh, it's the mic. Oh, it's the mic. Avatar position. Okay, this is where we position our avatar. Okay, and it really depends on where you want your avatar. I think that's fine. Hide mic if you want to put a mic, if you want to. I mean, in this room there's already a mic, so you don't need to put a mic. And this is for the posing. Been a while since I used this. Lying down. Oh yeah. He died. Where is he? It's gonna be something, right? Okay, there he goes. Stand up again. right now. Okay, I think if you don't want to use your hand movement, just use VSeeFace. I think it's much more better. Okay, this is for like release. Why was this? Leg open. Oh. We can do sitting. There we go. And then let's go back to our where is it again? This. So we can make sure that my guy is sitting. Okay, there we go. Now we're actually sitting. And after that, we can make the lights. You want to make it like more brighter. You can also adjust it like over here. This is the light positions, by the way, if you don't know. So you would know where to put your lights or position your lights. Avatar light, if you make yourself more brighter, if you're like a god or something like that. But I think I like this better. I can put lights if you want to like that. Smoke if you want to, an orb, a snow. All of this are like effects if you want to put it. Some of it might not work. It depends on like where you are. But here you go. It has been activated. Also, you can do transparent sky. You want to put your own background, sunrise under the sea, planet. Like you can change up your background too, so that's really cool. Take off all the particles. This is the video thing. If you want to like if you want to like put a video to react to, you can just put the link or the file of the video if you want to play it while doing just chatting stream. It's interesting, but I don't know, it depends on you and how you're gonna use this. Also, this is for collab. If you want to collab with someone in this space, you can just connect collaborator with your IP address. I will blur that. I will blur that, and the port and the VMC. So yeah, it's very nice. For the camera positions, where's the camera? Oh, over here. If you want to make it like manual like that, you can just do this. Oh, this thing is still here. Why are you here, man? I kind of forgot what this guy is for. I think it's for the light. There we go. Okay, for the camera, if you want it to like move a lot like before, you can do that. But I'm fine with this since you're just doing just chatting. I look dead, by the way, because the tracking is not that good, I guess. But it does follow my lips, and also the eye blinking, and also the hand, so that's nice. Lots of moving involved if you want to move a lot. The drone shot, you can switch cameras too. But since you're in the room, you're kind of like out of like the camera positions already. See, you're just floating in the floating room, or this angle, or this. I think this is good for like if you're doing a concert, but I pretty much prefer this. Also, like that, just manual. You want to move it. Not this one. There we go. It's gonna move around. There's a lot of option here that you can try. If sometimes it's gonna change, you can put like some fade in effect if you want to. There's also the screen effect. You want to put some bloom in it. The bloom is kind of nice, right? It makes it look warm. I wonder how much processing it's gonna use. Ooh, focus too, if you wanna like focus just on me. Also, you can use it by using spout as well if you use spout on your OBS. Really, that's really cool. Like I said, you can use this with other stuff. Press escape and you're gonna go back, like for just a desk. You'll be floating. I'm dead. Seaside, if you're doing a beach episode. What happened to me? Okay, live stage. I'm still sitting. Don't worry about that. But yeah, really interesting. Just start up your camera. There we go. And yeah, this is the application. If you want to use it, try it out. It's for free. If you want the paid version, it's kind of like a VTube studio. There's a floating girl on the side. But yeah, use it. Don't forget to like like and subscribe to my videos. It will help me a lot. So please take care and see you again on another video. So bye bye.